Hello students, welcome to our English class. Okay, in this class we are going to start our second lesson, that is a poem. Okay, our first unity name is family. In this our first lesson was starter blanket. In that we saw a relation between a mother and a son and a sister and a brother. Okay, family means the relations. Okay, family, what do you mean family? Family is a place where father, mother and children live together. Okay, in first lesson we saw the title least bother, a son who does not care for his mother. In that lesson mother was alive, mother was there, but his son does not care. Now our second one is the poem. It is the written by Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the poet of this poem? The poem is name is My Mother. So what is our poem name? My Mother. So here the feeling for mother. Okay, a son expresses his feeling for mother. Who is that? That is Rabindranath Tagore. So poet. He is the poet who wrote this poem. Okay. So Rabindranath Tagore is the poet who wrote this poet on mother. He expresses his feeling. So in this we are going to see the relationship between a son and a mother who is not alive. Okay, he lost his mother when he was very young. So but still he has the feeling. Still he feel the presence of mother in the nature. Okay, so he expresses his feeling, how he remember his mother's love, how he remember his mother when he was childhood only he lost his mother, but through this poem he is showing his affection for mother. In first lesson what we saw, a mother is alive but the son doesn't care for mother. Okay, but in this second poem, second lesson is poem. In that we are going to see how a son love his mother. Okay, so theme of the poem is I cannot remember my mother. Okay, means here the mother is not alive, mother is died when this boy was small. Who is that boy? He is the poet Rabindranath Tagore. So listen to the poem. It is written in a very simple language where you will understand while I am reading only. So listen all of you. I cannot remember my mother. Only sometime in the midst of my play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings. The tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. So what the poet is saying, I cannot my mother's face. Okay, I did not saw my mother. Okay, so in first stanza what he is saying, I didn't saw my mother face, but at the time when I am playing, in the middle of the play, in while midst means middle part. Okay, while I am playing I can hear. So what he is hearing, a tune of some song, which was sung by my mother while she used to rock my cradle. Cradle means a place, a bed of the a baby's bed or cot. A baby's bed or cot means cradle is a swing in which we used to keep the young babies and will give a swing to make them sleep. So while that time mothers they will sing some song. So he is saying that poet, whenever I used to play, in my ears I will listen, I will feel the song which my mother used to sung while she used to rock the cradle. Okay, next so in second stanza the poet is saying, I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of the shioli flowers float in the air, the scent of morning service in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. So in the second stanza he is saying, I still don't remember my mother's face, but when in the early morning, in the early morning of a spring season or autumn season, the smell of the shioli flowers. Meaning of shioli is small white or orange flowers that bloom in autumn season. Spring season we will see outside the small white, yellow, orange color flowers. The scent means perfume or good smell. Okay, I can feel what he is saying, I can smell the scent of the flowers and scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as a scent. So in the smell of the flowers, okay, in the smell of the flowers and scent of the morning temple prayers, I will feel the presence of my mother's scent. So what he's saying, he's saying that in the scent of the flowers, smell of the flowers and scent of the temple, I am feeling my mother's scent. Next, to see here, I cannot remember my mother. Only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky, I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. So in the third stanza, what he's saying, I cannot remember, I still don't remember my mother's face, but whenever I went to sleep, before that I used to go near to the window. Whenever I look outside, so whenever I look through outside the window, whenever I look out of the window, in the sky, I will see in the sky. That time I feel the stillness of my mother's face. It will spread all over the sky. So he is saying that in the sky I can see my mother's face stillness. So here is the son who cares about his mother, but his mother is not alive. But so who is that son? That is Rabindranath Tagore. He is expressing his love, affection and his feelings towards his mother. Okay. Next is about the poet. Who is the poet? Rabindranath Tagore. He was born in 1861 and died in 1941. He is popularly known as a Vishwakavi and Gurudev. He was the founder of Shantiniketan, an experimental school. So Rabindranath Tagore has opened one school that is named as a Shantiniketan. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for his Gitanjali, the Song of Offerings. So what he was given a Nobel Prize award for his literature in Gitanjali. Each of his poems reflects Indian vision and love towards his motherland. He is considered the voice of Indian heritage and spiritualism. Whatever he used to write, he write about on the mother. Okay, Indian vision. He is an Indian poet, so he writes for Indian vision. And in every poem, in every literature, what he reflects, mother's love he used to reflect. Okay, this is the lesson. This is the poem, children. Poem means a poem is a short, small piece of writing in which we different words are used in rhythmic way. Okay. Thank you, children. All of you once go and read the poem.